Old Masters Academy is a great place to learn how to paint in oils the professional way. As you can see from these before and after examples, our students notably improve their art skills after watching the video lessons and doing assignments under personal guidance of the Academy tutors. In this course, students learn traditional oil painting techniques that are no longer taught in contemporary art colleges. They discover time-proven methods of oil painting that were developed by the old masters and learn how to use those methods and techniques when painting with modern materials. These new skills help our students to create better paintings, attract more commissions, and become professional artists. Here's what our students are saying. This course was the perfect way for me to learn the oil painting techniques of the old masters. I would certainly recommend this course to anyone who is interested in learning to oil paint. Since I started the Old Masters course, I have entered 2 art competitions and 1 art exhibit, and I have sold 7 pieces of art. I had some training before, but I never came across a place or a person who had enough to teach me how to use oil paint professionally. In Old Masters Academy, I found exactly what I was looking for, and I love it. I entered the Old Masters Academy to get me going again. I diligently did the course exercises and it helped me a lot. Thanks a million for your course. I have had some formal art education, but have never found such good information and instruction before. I'm working through this course and it helps me greatly. I was really surprised with the amount of new information I learned here. It has helped me to improve my art hugely. I would absolutely recommend this course. It is so easy to follow. You can go at your own pace and the results are outstanding. If you want to improve your oil painting skills, you can take a self-study, self-paced online video course and learn how to paint with modern materials using traditional techniques of the old masters. If you learn the best under personal guidance, enroll in the correspondence course where you will receive personal, unlimited, one-to-one tutoring from the Academy teachers, which will be custom tailored to your skills and needs.